Hi, I'm a trainer here at the Mashoof and I'll be showing how to use the Smith machine. Let's go. All right, so before starting, I'm going to quickly show a safety feature. So if you come around here, you can show the side. So before lifting off the actual rack, you'd have to rotate, what is that, clockwise? And then you can rotate it off, and now it's free, it's loose. So if you ever want to re-rack, you just rotate backwards. It's pretty nice because this is way safer. You don't necessarily need a spotter. Still recommended when you're going high in weight, but very good for if you're a lone lifter. All right, the second safety feature are these little prongs on the bottom. They're pretty straightforward. You just lift them and then rotate them into place if you want to limit your range of motion. Recommended if you're unsure about the weight. You can do hip thrusts. I'm only showing squats and incline bench, but you can also do decline, you can do flat bench. Honestly, sky's the limit. You can do overhead press, so it's very nice, especially for like beginning, since you have a fixed bar path, so you don't have to worry about like stabilizing muscle groups, and it's a little bit more simpler. I'd say it's a good starting off point. For example, if you want to do squats, you can do Smith machine first and then go into squats. Highly recommended, especially for the safety factor. So if you like lifting alone and you don't want to like ask other people for spotters, Smith machine is good for that. For more information, please feel free to reach out to the PT team or check out our website, and always feel free to ask the staff on hand.